Now I made you understand this, the problem. Two balls transferred from bag 1 to bag 2 and then one ball drawn. Question is find the probability that is white. So let us define the following events. What should be the first event? E. What should be the first event? See the question. What is the question? Find the probability that it is white. So white ball drawn from the second bag, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Drawn from the second bag, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
your event E. Now let's see what are the possibilities. Two balls are being drawn. So what are the possibilities? Let us define the event A first. If two balls are drawn from bag 1, then I can draw two white balls from bag 1. Two white balls can be drawn from first bag. This is one possibility. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
What is the next possibility? Tell me what? Govinda, I cannot hear you. Tell me. Next possibility
Hello.
is, yes, tell me.
You can hear me?
Yes, tell me.
Part good. Because it is given, it is the probability that it is white. It is not. It has not mentioned that it is taken from bag A or bag one,
Yes,
bag one or bag two.
it has been said, it has been said,
Hmm.
right? It has been said that we are taking out from the first bag. See the question. See the question here. Two balls are transferred from the first bag. And which one is the first bag? One bag. Understood? Understood?
Uh,
One bag contains four white and two black balls. So one bag contains this. So we are
yes.
transferring from this bag. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And the second bag is mentioned. So
Yes.
two balls are transferred from first bag to the second bag. See the word, see the phrase, second bag, second bag. You see, that
Yes.
means they are distinct. Understood? It is not
Yes,
that
sir.
we can draw two ball from bag 2 and then draw one ball
Yes.
from
Sir.
bag 1. That is not a possibility because bags are distinct. We know we have to draw from this bag only, not the other bag. Understood? Otherwise, what would have
Yes,
happened?
sir.
Govinda, can you tell me what would have happened if this
Yes.
was not the
Yes.
case?
Sir.
If the bags were not distinct, then what would have happened?
Uh,
We would have had two mutually exclusive events. What events?
okay.
This way. We would have had
Definitely,
this way.
sir.
Either this or this. Now
Okay.
we
Sir.
have bag 2 and bag 1. Right? Two balls transferred from bag 2 and one ball drawn. Understood? If the bags were not
Yes, sir.
distinct, then there would have been or. We would have found two probabilities. One probability here and another
Yes.
probability
Sir.
here. And then we would have added the probabilities. Understood? But this kind of a case will not be given. Normally, you will be, uh, uh, I mean, required to assume that the bags are distinct. Is it absolutely clear what I said?
Sir, can you explain?
See what happens that if the bags were not clear, that means if I am transferring two balls from
Hello.
any bag, understood? I can transfer from the first bag two balls and then take out from the second bag, or what I can do is I can take out two balls from the second bag and take out one ball from the first bag. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes. Sir. Yes.
If instead of first bag and second bag, they would have said that one ball is taken out from any of the two bags and transferred to the other bag, then we would have had two cases. You understood the difference in the language? You understood the difference in the
Yes,
language?
sir. Yes, sir. I read. Australia
Yeah. So the language, if
have practiced then.
in a more complicated case, they would have said that one ball is transferred, two balls are transferred from one bag, and they from one of the bags, and then one ball is taken out. Understood? But that would have been a more complicated case.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at your level, I don't think that they expect this kind of thing. So anyway, let us coming back to the problem. What happens is that, see, from the first bag I'm drawing out two balls. I can either draw out two white balls from the first bag, or I can draw out two black balls from the first bag. Or what I can draw out, I can draw out one white ball and one black ball, right, from the first bag. Right or wrong? Only these three cases? Any other case?
Yes.
If I'm drawing out two
No,
balls
sir.
from here, either both can be white, or both can be black, or one can be white, one can be black.
Yes, sir.
And then I'm drawing out, one white ball. Let us call D as the event, one white ball drawn from the second bag. One white ball drawn from the second bag. Okay. Understood? So what is the
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
event
sir.
E made up of? Tell me. What is the event E made up of? Two white balls transferred from the first bag and one white ball drawn, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or what can
Yes, sir.
happen? Two black balls drawn from the first bag and one white ball drawn from the second bag, right?
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes,
you
sir.
can have one white ball drawn and one black ball drawn from the first bag, and then one white ball drawn from the second bag, isn't it? Therefore, what is PE? PE is PA intersection D plus PB intersection D plus PC intersection D, right? All these are mutually exclusive.
Yes, sir.
And then what? All these are independent also. So you can write this as PA into PD
Yes, sir.
plus PB into PD plus PC into PD. Now the question is to calculate the probabilities. What are the probabilities? Let's see. PA, what is the event A? Two white balls drawn from the first bag. So, okay. So there are how many white balls? Four white balls and two black balls. Two white
Uh,
balls can be chosen in
Four.
how many
Yes, sir.
ways? 4C2
Then
ways, right?
Yes, sir.
And six balls in total. So this
yes,
will
sir.
be 6C2, right? So this
Six.
comes to how much?
Six. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4 into 3 divided by 6 into 5. 2, 3, 3, 3. This is 2 by 5. Next case, PB. Two black balls drawn from the first bag. How many black balls? Two black balls. Two black balls can be chosen from two black balls in 2C2 ways. Divided by 6C2, right? 2C2 is 1
Yes.
and 6C2 is how much? 6 into 5 by factorial 2.
Six. C2. Yes, sir.
So this is 1 by
21.
15.
6 into 5. Yes, sir.
How much is PC? In
Yes, sir.
PC, what is
Yes,
happening?
sir.
One white ball and one black ball. How many white balls? Four white balls. How many black balls? Two black balls. So one white and one
Four.
black ball can be drawn
Two.
in 4C1 into
Yes, sir.
2C1 ways, right?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 6C2.
Yes, sir.
So this is 4 into 2 divided by 6 into 5 by
Yes,
factorial
sir.
2. which
6
is
into 5.
4 into 2 into 2 divided by 6 into
Yes, sir.
5. 2, 1, 2, 3. Anything else cancels? Nothing. 8 by 15. Right? So PC we have found out. Let's see PD.
8, sir, 8 by 15.
PD. What is PD?
8 by 15.
PD is 8 by 15. Ah,
Uh, Isn't the one white ball drawn from second bag?
one white ball drawn from second bag, but then that depends on A, right?
Yes.
See, A
Mm,
is
yes,
two
sir.
white balls transferred. If I am transferring two white balls from this, then how many white balls it
Yes, sir.
becomes? It becomes 7 white balls, right?
Mm, yes, sir.
So that means all these cases will be different.
Yes, sir.
Let us call this D1. One white ball drawn from second bag when two white balls transferred from first bag.
Okay.
First bag, right? Let us say D2. One white ball drawn when two black balls transferred from first bag. Understood what I'm
Mm,
trying to say?
from second.
And D3. One
Mm,
white ball
yes,
drawn
yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
when one black and one white ball is transferred from first bag. Understood? So two more events I am defining. So this will be A intersection D1, B intersection D2, and C intersection D3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Because see, if I am transferring, when A is the event, then I am transferring two white balls. So if I am two white balls, if I am transferring here, then the number of balls changes to 5 plus 2, 7 white balls, right? So therefore, what is PD1?
Yes.
What is PD1? How many white balls? 7 white balls, right? And now how many bags, how many ball, total number of ball it becomes? From 9 it becomes 11 balls. So this becomes 7 by 11. How much is PD2? How much is PD2? What is D2? When two black balls are transferred, if two black balls are transferred, then how many black ball it's now becoming? 6 black balls, right? So what is the
Yes, sir.
probability of getting a white ball now? 5 by how many total number of balls here? 6 plus 5, 11. So 5 by 11, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
And what is PD3? If I'm transferring one white ball and one black ball, then the number of white ball becomes 6 and the number of black ball becomes 5. So the total number of balls becomes how many? 11. Out of which I'm choosing how many white balls? This ball that I'm drawing, how many white balls I'm drawing? 1.
One.
How many white
One,
balls
yes,
are there? 6. And total number of balls is
6,
11. So this becomes 6 by 11.
11.
Understood? So this is
Yes, sir.
PA into
Yes, sir.
PD1, PB into PD2, PC into PD3. Now you put the values. Hence PE is equal to, hence PE is equal to PA 2 by 5 into PD1 7 by 11 plus PB 1 by 15 uh, into PD2 is 7 by 11, 5 by 11, sorry, plus PC is 8 by 15 and PD3 is 6 by 11. Okay, so
Yes,
that's
sir.
it. And you find out the answer of this to be 19 by 33. Okay, 19 by 33 is your answer. You understood this or any questions?
No, sir, no question.
This is a
So
very, very important problem. Tell me.
no,